Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike here down in Mike's RC Corner. The RC Corner is going under a little renovation. So we have a little makeshift spot right here. As you can see, got a brand new recording station here, got a boom mic over here. More importantly, we got something new. We got a new truck. Guys, stay tuned. We'll be back and we'll get this thing out of the box and see what all inside. Thanks to Banggood for sending this truck for review. That's right, guys, we got a box here. We got this from Banggood. Thanks for sending it along. It's a 1/16 scale truck. Looks pretty good if you ask me. It says it's waterproof. It's got a bunch of stuff. Hey, there's even a remote inside. Isn't that cool? Let's take a peek here. It's got a motor. That's cool. It's got 4 tires. I think it'll work. Let's see what's on the backside. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a quick peek at the accessories. Woohoo! We get a USB charging cable, not too shabby. Get a cross wrench, a little screwdriver, extra body clips, very nice. It's got a manual, it's pretty big, pretty thick, got lots of pages inside, it's got pictures, it's got words. My Chinese isn't very good, but it does also have English inside. Hey, the radio's here, it's got a trigger, looks good. Got a power button, couple trims. You can actually dial it down and slow down the truck. Very appreciated for beginners. Foam wheel looks good. Takes 3 AA's on the bottom side. Yeah guys, so this is the same model as the Wholesome 8125. This is the I believe branded under GP Toys, the Spirit. It's the 1/16 scale truck. Just a different type of body. You can get this also in the pickup truck body. This more has like a desert car. Got a bit of a feel of an e-Revo. Let's spin it around here. Looks good. Bouncy shocks. No oil. I remove the body pins. It pivots here on the back. So let's lift it up and see what's inside. Oh, subscribe to the channel. Looks good in here, guys. As you can see, this thing pivots back and forth. We can look at the 390 size can motor. It's an all-in-one ESC. The battery has this weird different type of connector, but it challenges off the balance lead, so that works out okay. It has this very different battery strap. I haven't seen this one yet. It has a lever here. You flip it over and this lifts right out. Right now, I've been charging it inside the RC because that is just too much of a pain to get out. Put it back in and lock it down. Battery's going nowhere. Let's look at the underside. We got plastic here. Hard plastic, looks good. Tires, no foam, just air. Plastic rims, of course. No oil in the shocks. We got bumpers that are quite soft and pliable. Other than that, 5-wire servo, looks fairly good. LEDs do light up. One thing to note, over here, it's a power button. It presses in. Presses in, I said that, it presses in. The wire here goes up to the LEDs, so let's turn it on. Light begins to blink here, and here we go, we got LEDs. Not super bright, because they're a little smaller, and they kind of feel tucked in, but nevertheless, they're there. Look good. It's a nice little bonus. Overall, guys, I'm looking at this thing. I'm quite impressed. Reminds me very much of the Wholesome truck I reviewed. Check that out also on my channel. But enough talk. Let's get this thing out for a run test. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're outside. Little man's over here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, we're excited. Winter is leaving, and it's it's about 7 degrees above, but you can see we still got snowbanks that are melting. We got the truck here turned on. Now this thing has throttle trim, and we're going to demonstrate that a little bit. We're going to run around on the street and in the grass, and we're going to the backyard to show you what it can do. So right now it's in full throttle trim forward, and let's see how fast this thing can go. So that's a speed pass there. I think they advertise 35 kilometers an hour, and I don't think that's reaching that. I think it's probably a lot closer to 30. Lots of grit on the road, and it is chewing that up, but there's plenty of grip with these tires, and it seems to be spinning out. I'm going to dial it down to full trim down on the throttle, and that's the speed it goes at. So about half as fast.
Wow.
Not too bad.
It's super slow.
It's slow. It's slower when you do that. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see the LEDs. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand the remote over to my son, and he's going to drive it on the grass over here and up on the snowbank around the tree. And let's get that footage going. What?
Get it going.
Let's get it going. Yeah, so the grass is matted down because of the snow. It's in the dormant stage, but this truck goes pretty well over it. Over the snowbank. You want to turn the speed up a bit?
Sure.
Alright,
This
let's
is
do
speed.
that. Try that. Looking pretty good.
Whoa, it almost crashed.
Almost crashed. Woo.